Good day, everyone. Fix iPhone storage full, which is a very common problem, and we can free up the space in just 2 minutes. Please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and you will be able to do it. Clear space, free up space in iPhone on your own. So, here, firstly, we need to look for the settings and we will click on that. And then we will look for general, which is right here. I'll click on that as well. And the third option is iPhone storage. Now, the moment we click on that, we get to know about how much space we have and how much space is being used. So, currently, the recommendation is offload unused apps. You should enable that because if any storage, when you're low on storage, it will automatically offload unused apps. And the next thing which you can do, review your photos and videos. And it is also giving me a recommendation that I can save 750 MB. And just below that, we have the best recommendation where we can see the size. You can sort it like this. Select size and see which all apps are taking the space in your phone. If by any chance, if any app which you do not use is using a lot of space, you can simply uninstall or like just pages, you can offload or delete app. If you wish, you can do that. All right. So this offload app says this will free up storage used by app, but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if app is still available for download. So here you can see the app size itself is 595, 597. So you can try that and definitely you will be able to free up space on your iPhone. And do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.